Somalia stands at a critical juncture today, June 3, 2025. The nation's journey towards lasting peace and prosperity is undeniable. Yet this path is paved with challenges. These challenges demand a singular, powerful response. That response is national unity. Personal grievances and historical divides must take a back seat. The collective good of the Somali people must become the priority. Without this unity, progress will remain a distant dream. Every Somali citizen, leader and community has a role to play in this vital endeavor. The future depends on this shared commitment. President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud has recently emphasized this, launching the Justice and Unity Party on May 14, 2025. This initiative aims to move Somalia towards a more inclusive political system. It signals a desire to transcend the divisive politics of the past. Prioritizing national unity allows Somalia to address its most pressing issues. These include security threats from groups like Al-Shabaab. They also include economic development and social cohesion. A united front presents a formidable force against those who seek to destabilize the nation. The responsibility for fostering this unity is immense. The President of Somalia holds a profound responsibility. He must actively cultivate an environment of trust. This trust must permeate all levels of government and society. Collaboration between the federal government and federal member states is paramount. Strained relations such as those noted with Puntland and Jubaland need mending. An open invitation from the President to all regional leaders is a powerful signal. It shows commitment to a unified national vision. This gesture can begin to bridge divides and foster genuine partnership. Building trust is not a simple task. It requires consistent effort and transparent actions. The President must demonstrate impartiality and a commitment to the welfare of all Somalis. This means engaging with leaders who hold differing views. It means listening to their concerns and addressing them constructively. President Mohamed's vision for a modern state, based on democracy and a federal system, is ambitious. Achieving this vision requires the buy-in of all stakeholders. This inclusive approach can help overcome the challenges of clan-based governance. Direct and consistent dialogue with all federal member states is non-negotiable. It is the primary mechanism for resolving internal conflicts. Many disputes in Somalia are rooted in local grievances. These can involve land, resources, or political representation. The federal government, led by the President, must act as an honest broker. It must mediate these disputes fairly and effectively. Lasting solutions require understanding the unique context of each federal member state. This engagement helps build local ownership of peace processes. It ensures that agreements are sustainable. Strengthening national cohesion is another vital outcome of inclusive federal member state engagement. When all regions feel their voices are heard, they feel respected. They feel valued as part of the larger Somali nation. This sense of belonging is crucial. It cultivates a shared national identity that transcends narrow regional or clan loyalties. Ensuring equitable development across all federal member states is the third pillar. Progress cannot be concentrated in one region while others lag behind. The federal government has a duty to distribute resources and opportunities fairly. Balanced development promotes stability. This equitable approach must be a cornerstone of the President's agenda. Somalia's journey towards stability is significantly supported by international partners. This support ranges from security assistance to humanitarian aid and development funding. It is vital for the Somali government to cultivate these relationships with care. Mutual respect and shared objectives are key. Engaging all partners equitably avoids favoritism. A balanced approach ensures broader support. Fairness and transparency bring multiple benefits. It allows Somalia to draw on a wider range of expertise and resources. It prevents entanglement in external geopolitical rivalries. A diversified portfolio enhances Somalia's sovereignty and leverage. Valued partners offer sustained support. This approach maximizes collaborative efforts. It aligns international assistance with Somalia's priorities. Recent engagements, like the October 2024 meeting in Asmara, show regional cooperation's potential. Managing international relations is essential for Somalia's progress. The path to a brighter future for Somalia is paved with inclusive leadership. President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud has a historic opportunity. He can steer the nation towards an era where dialogue triumphs over division. This requires unwavering commitment to engaging all Somalis. inclusive leadership can unlock Somalia's immense potential. By embracing all voices, the president can harness the collective wisdom and strength of the Somali people. The time for decisive, unifying leadership is now.